Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled cucumber. To begin, select fresh, firm cucumbers, such as Kirby or Persian varieties, which are perfect for pickling. You will also need water, vinegar, pickling salt, and a touch of sugar if you like. Before anything else, ensure your glass jars and lids are thoroughly sterilized. This crucial step helps prevent spoilage and ensures your delicious pickles stay safe to eat for weeks to come. Now, let's create the flavorful brine. For a classic ratio, combine 1 cup of water with 1 cup of white vinegar in a saucepan. Next, add 1 tablespoon of pickling salt and 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. The sugar helps balance the tartness. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until both the salt and sugar are completely dissolved. Do not boil the brine, just warm it enough to dissolve the solids. With your brine ready, it's time to pack the jars. Tightly arrange your sliced or whole cucumbers into the sterilized glass jars. Don't be afraid to really pack them in. This is also the perfect moment to add your favorite flavorings. Consider fresh dill sprigs, peeled garlic cloves, or a pinch of mustard seeds for extra zest. Finally, carefully pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, making sure they are completely submerged in the liquid. Almost done. After pouring the brine, gently tap the jars to release any trapped air bubbles. Then, securely place new, clean lids on each jar. Let the sealed jars cool completely at room temperature for several hours. Once cool, transfer them to the refrigerator. For the best flavor, wait at least 24 hours or even a few days before enjoying your homemade pickled cucumbers. They will be crisp, tangy, and absolutely delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.